If you just bought a domain from Namecheap or any other domain provider and want to connect it to your Shopify store, this quick 2025 guide will walk you through everything step by step. By the end of this video, your store will be running on a clean, professional, custom domain. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control center for everything related to your store. Once you're there, look to the lower left corner and click on Settings. This section is basically the backbone of your store, and it's where you can adjust all your essential configurations. Inside Settings, find and click Domains. This page controls every domain linked to your Shopify store, whether you bought it directly through Shopify or from a third-party provider like Namecheap. Next, click Connect Existing Domain. This is the option designed specifically for domains you've purchased elsewhere. A box will pop up asking for your domain name. Copy and paste your domain from Namecheap. And double check for any spelling mistakes. One typo can hold everything back. Once you enter your domain, Shopify will give you the exact DNS settings you need to add to your Namecheap account. This includes things like your CNA, ME record, and Shopify's IP address. It may look technical, but it's really just copying and pasting the values Shopify provides. Now log into your Namecheap dashboard, go to Domain List, open Manage, and head to the Advanced DNS tab. Replace any existing records with the ones Shopify gave you, save your changes, and then head back to Shopify. DNS changes can take a little time to update, sometimes a few minutes, sometimes up to a couple of hours. Once everything updates, Shopify will verify your connection and your custom domain will go live. And that's it. Your Namecheap domain is now successfully connected to Shopify, giving your brand a more polished, professional presence online. If you ever get stuck, Shopify's support team is always there to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your store with confidence.